Hello everyone, my name is Hayden Danielson and I'm the Senior Onboarding Coach here at Tovuti. In this walkthrough, we'll be reviewing how to configure gated course progression. Let's first define what we mean by gated course progression. Gated course progression is when administrators control a learner's access to courses based on triggers like course completion or event attendance. This is sometimes referred to as a learning path, which can be defined as a coordinated effort to plan the content, progress, and goals of the learners on your platform. With that definition in mind, gated course progression is essential to ensure that users aren't moving through the content too quickly, or so that they are not overloaded with too much information right from the start. It can help users keep an even pace and gain access to more content once they finish the preceding course. We're going to explore the most popular recommendation we provide for administrators in order to create gated course progression. This will involve 3 key steps: creating unique user groups, honing in on our course permissions, and creating badges, certificates, or milestones. Creating unique user groups for each course or set of courses that you want users to access after certain triggers in the system will keep their experience segmented. Think of these as the separate learning tracks you want users to access at different times. For example, let's say we're starting off with Learning Track A and Learning Track B, which are represented as 2 separate learning paths. Users could start in Learning Track A with 1 or more courses assigned to it. Once finished, users could then be automatically added to Learning Track B to unlock more resources, which we'll see in the steps provided later in this walkthrough. Once you have your separate user groups, double-check your course's permissions by going to Learning and Courses. In this case, we have Compliance 101 set up for Learning Track A and Compliance 102 set up for Learning Track B. Let's go ahead and double-check those permissions. So by clicking into Compliance 101, I can go to my Permissions tab, and I can see that I have Learning Track A selected in both areas, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the overall registered group, just so that way only Learning Track A has access to this course, and then we can save that. Let's go ahead and double check Compliance 102. We have Learning Track B selected here, and we are all good to go. The final step is then creating an award to automatically progress users from one course to the next. If you would like the award to be visible to the user upon completion of each course, we'll head to Awards, click on New, and you'll want to choose either a badge or a certificate. If you want this action to be invisible to the user, go ahead and create a milestone. Milestones are non-visual awards that can essentially complete actions through the platform without the user even knowing it happens. Regardless of which award type you use, the next step you want to take is adding conditional requirements. This is where you can define what exactly the learner needs to do in order to earn the award. In this case, if Learning Track A has 1 course to complete, you can highlight that singular course in this section. You can also highlight multiple courses if need be. The way we do that is by clicking on the green plus, clicking on our requirement type dropdown, selecting course, and then choosing our preferred course or courses. The last step is going to the Actions tab. So let's scroll back up, click on Actions, and we'll need to configure the Add or Remove User Groups option, located here at the top. Ideally, you want to add users to the next user group after earning this capstone award, providing them access to the additional content. You can also remove users from any previous user groups if you do not need them to review the earlier content. This does not remove their progress in the courses that they no longer have access to. In our example, we could go ahead and add users to Learning Track B once they complete the courses in Learning Track A. And if need be, we could remove them from Learning Track A if they no longer need to review those courses. Once all of this is complete, your users should be able to progress automatically through various courses and have new content unlocked after earning certain awards. Creating a gated course progression system can greatly enhance your learners' experience on your platform and provide evenly paced stepping stones for them to follow. This can also save you a ton of time as an administrator since you no longer have to manually add users to new courses or learning tracks. Thank you all so much for taking the time to understand how to configure your gated courses. We hope that this information is helpful as you continue to build out your one-of-a-kind platform. We'll see you all next time.